Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a smartwatch that does it all, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the features and benefits of the men-women smartwatch. First off, this watch is packed with all the latest technology. From Bluetooth calling to full-touch Amoled display, this smartwatch has everything you need to stay connected and on top of your game. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a busy professional, this watch is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Not only does this smartwatch look sleek and stylish, but it's also built to last with its sport waterproof design. No need to worry about taking it off during your workouts or outdoor activities. It's ready to keep up with you, no matter where life takes you. And let's talk about the battery life. With normal use, you can expect 23 days of power and up to 30 days on standby. Plus, the fast charging feature means you can get back to full power in just 2 hours. But that's not all. The men-women smartwatch also offers customizable dials, so you can make it truly your own. With a variety of languages supported, including English, German, Russian, and many more, this watch is perfect for users all around the world. So why wait? Take control of your time and your tech with the men-women smartwatch. Click the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your daily routine with this incredible smartwatch. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tech tips, and let's stay connected. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.